Welcome to South Florida Luxury Home Guide's newest listing, featuring 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 2,200 square feet of living space.
No HOA, prime location, near Coral Springs, right off of Rock Island and Royal Palm Boulevard. We're your buyer's agents.
Come on in for a tour of your own private oasis. This home is the original model home for the neighborhood with vaulted ceilings and a split floor plan with 2 separate living room areas. This home features a newly renovated kitchen with new appliances. Your master ensuite is a beautifully remodeled spa.
From any room in the house, you could see and enter the pool area, even through the cabana bath. Outdoor features include a corner lot with a 6-foot privacy fence with a dual gate entry off the side for extra outdoor storage, also including your very own avocado, lemon, and tangerine tree. Enjoy your private oasis.